In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk AI Chatbot. To do that, head over to zendesk.com and proceed to create an account by clicking on this try for free and entering right here your work email. So on my case, let me head over and input right here my work email. Now, they will ask you for some name, like for example, let's input right here our name and also your last name right here. Now, it will ask for your phone number, so input that in here as well. Just continue answering all of these questions right here. And once you have done that, you should be able to have access to your Zendesk trial. Now, this will ask you to verify your email, so make sure to verify it as well. Verify your email right here. Click onto this, and then you will be redirected to the actual admin page of your newly created trial. As you can see, we are now into the Zendesk. Now that we're in here, we can head over and create our bot. We can do so by clicking onto this four square icon. And from in there, we can see this option for AI agents. So click onto this right here. You will be redirected to actually create your own AI agent on Zendesk for the admin center. So from this part, click on this create AI agent and then input right here the name of that agent. Choosing here the tone of voice like professional, informal, or enthusiastic. Choose right here next and enter right here your brand. Now, you need to make sure that your brand is active so it will have content. You can head over right here to the go to brand option and make sure to create your own branding. Once you have created your branding, you can proceed to test your agent and then deploy it into the Zendesk itself. So once you're done, you can head over and chat with this agent that you have created. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.